When shooters hear 9mm, first thoughts are drawn to the automatic style. Rarely do revolvers come up in the conversation. This oversight should happen a lot less now that the ejection of spent cartridges has improved. A 9mm revolver is excellent for concealed carry and home defense applications. Let's take a look at the top best among them. Number 7. Charter Arms Pitbull 9mm 5-shot revolver, $522. Snub-nose revolvers have long been the choice of gun-savvy police officers for on-duty backup and off-duty concealed carry. Although many of today's younger police officers may have never fired a revolver, the compact wheel guns are still a viable option. Smaller versions of duty semi-automatic pistols may be preferred by today's officers due to their similarity to the full-size pistol on their duty belt. But Police1 Editorial Advisory Board member Mike Woods' article, 15 Reasons to Consider a Snubby for Your Backup Gun, explains in detail why a compact revolver still works well for today's law enforcement officers. Reliability and the revolver's resistance to neglect, plus the lack of a manual safety and its capability of making repeated contact shots, work in its favor. Charter Arms has been making firearms since 1964. The Shelton, Connecticut-based manufacturer is best known for its 44 Special Bulldog and 38 Special Undercover, and cops have been carrying them for over 50 years. The Pitbull is a whole new breed of snub-nose revolver due to the fact that it chambers semi-automatic pistol cartridges. The 9mm rimless Pitbull revolver features the same extractor assembly as the Charter 40 caliber rimless revolver. The unique coil assembly ejects the spent cartridge, allowing the shooter to reload immediately. The Pitbull comes in a stainless and black nitride finish. This proprietary finish gives the Pitbull a striking look and considerable hardness, which also reduces friction. There are no moon clips on the Pitbull, making loading and unloading much more effortless. The stainless Pitbull is California compliant. Number 6. Ruger SP101 9mm Luger, $600. Sturm Ruger began in 1949 in the back of a small machine shop in Connecticut. Its first handgun was a .22 caliber pistol, designed from a German military 9mm Luger and a Colt Woodsman. Since 1949, the company has produced over 25 million firearms. Ruger's SP101 is a compact, good-looking revolver with a satin stainless finish and rubber grips. Grips are built to be changed out quickly if you wish. Barrel length on the SP101 is 2.25 inches with a RH twist rate of 1/16. Ruger has designed the SP101 to be extremely comfortable while shooting. Grips are a combined rubber with a synthetic insert and no exposed metal in the backstrap. The grip frame on the SP101 accommodates a wide range of custom grip types. Maintenance and reassembly is quick and easy. Integrated subassembly takedown requires no special tools for the job. For an extra measure of security, the transfer bar mechanism provides against accidental discharge. Front sights on the revolver are the black ramp type with integral rear sights. The 5-round capacity SP101 is shipped with 3 moon clips, acting as speed loaders for quicker loading and unloading. Number 5. Taurus Holdings Model 905 9mm Luger, $350. Taurus is still a young pup with a global distribution network that compares favorably to other manufacturers on this list. The Georgia company is owned by a Brazilian firm, Taurus Armas. The Brazilian firm is one of the largest small arms manufacturers in the world. The Model 905 is a striking-looking revolver with its matte black oxide finish. The revolver also is featured in satin stainless. The 905 is excellent for concealed carry and anyone looking for an affordable big-caliber revolver. 5-round capacity and rubber grips give the Model 905 a lethal profile. For safety, the Taurus features a transfer bar mechanism. Frame and cylinder material is a steel alloy, while the barrel is stainless steel. 905 is a small frame size, making the revolver easy to carry and conceal. Overall length is a compact 6.5 inches with a snub-nose 2-inch barrel. Weight on the Taurus is a stout 21 ounces unloaded. Sights, front and rear, are fixed. Number 4. Chiappa Charging Rhino Gen 260 DS, $1,624. Chiappa is an Italian manufacturer that is quickly gaining a reputation for quality and unique designs. The company has been crafting firearms for over 60 years. The family-owned business has used technology and its immense experience to offer firearms like no other company. The Charging Rhino is considered by many to be one of, if not the best 9mm revolver on the market. The revolver is lightweight, and the quality of build is the first thing shooters notice. Several unique features give the shooter the ability to fine-tune. Hammer, springs, and trigger are separated for an individual replacement or adjustment. Plus, the trigger travel stop is adjustable. The Charging Rhino is finished in a Cobalt Kinetic Slate Cerakote. Grips on the Rhino are just as distinctive with a 5-finger groove. A 6-inch barrel features a fiber optic sight. 10 moon clips are included to give shooters the ultimate adjustments in loading and unloading. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Model 986 9mm Luger, $1,150. Smith & Wesson's Performance Center revolvers are without question one of the best handguns on the market. Excellent profile and quality build make these revolvers a must-have. Model 986 is a snub-nose model with a 2.5-inch barrel in a stainless finish. The 7-round cylinder is an unfluted type for efficiency and striking good looks. Model 986 is built from the ground up with cutting-edge technology. Model 986 is based on the mid-size L-frame, giving the revolver a smaller profile. The 986 weighs in on the hefty side at 31.4 ounces. Shooters can choose either the red ramp or partridge front sights with the adjustable rear sights. Cylinder material is advanced titanium with the frame and barrel made from stainless steel. Grips on the 986 are impressive, with several custom wood types available. Number 2. Ruger LCR Model 5456 9mm Luger, $600. Ruger's LCR is a quality revolver that is built with excellent materials but remains lightweight. The 5-round revolver features a small profile for excellent concealed carry. The hammerless Model 5456 is easy to fit in places where a hammered model will not go. At an affordable price point, the LCR has a lot of features for the money. Front sights are pinned ramp types and are replaceable if the shooter wants. The rear sights are integral U-notch. Advanced technology has saved a lot of weight in the LCR, coming in at only 17.2 ounces. A matte black finish and barrel length of only 1.87 inches gives the LCR an imposing profile look. A RH twist rate of 1:16 makes this revolver extremely accurate. Overall length is a compact 6.5 inches and a height of 4.5 inches. The monolithic frame is made from an advanced 400 series stainless steel. Ruger has added a patented friction-reducing cam that results in a smooth, non-stacking trigger pull. Weight is reduced significantly by the patented polymer fire control housing. Excellent durability is achieved with the high-strength stainless and the PVD finish. Number 1. Rock Island Armory AL 9.0 9mm, $699. Rock Island can trace its roots back to the turn of the century when it was called Bingham & Company. Through the decades, the company changed hands, and as recently as 1985 came to be known as Rock Island Arms. The new AL 9.0 is a solid revolver with a good-looking profile. The AL 9.0 leans more to traditional styling, and with that comes less recoil than most 9mm firearms. Several technology features make this a must-see for shooters and hunters. Cylinder rotation design enables the cylinder to turn by the exact spacing distance, ensuring the barrel is adjusted for safety. High strength guarantees a long life for shooters, firing endless rounds of 9mm. Trigger pull on the AL 9.0 is a strong 11 to 13 pounds of pressure. Front sights are ramp type and rear sights are adjustable. The 6-round cylinder features a blued finish with the 4-inch barrel having a RH twist at 455mm. That's all for this video, folks. See you another time.